My name is Alistair Blake. I'm the chairman at Merko. We're a tomato paste manufacturer in Turkey. Our factory is based in the Bolster province, and we've been in the processing part of the industry since 1995, and we've been working with CropMap for around 4 years now. We use it mainly to confirm the total planting area for tomato crop, and during the season we use it regularly to see the speed of the harvest so that we can plan our production accordingly. For us, the tool is useful in many parts of the planning throughout the year. Initially it's for the actual planted area, for the acreage for tomatoes, making our plans for the year, our forecast for sales especially. It's good for us to have an idea of the overall planted surface area. If there's going to be an abundance of raw material, or if there's going to be a shortage, we can make our sales strategy according to that, and it prevents us from making mistakes or taking risks. There's nothing worse than underproducing against your sales contracts. Obviously we have our own agricultural team on the ground where we get this data from, but CropMap is very useful for us as a second source of data, something that we can confirm our own numbers off, and that gives us the extra confidence that we're in the right area. During the season, something that we can't do ourselves with our agricultural team is to follow the speed of the harvest, and the speed of the harvest for us is very important as well, to see how much more tomatoes left out there in the field and how many days of processing is left. It can affect our planning a huge amount because there's only 2 months we have, and for us every single week is a large chunk of our production, so it's very, very important information for us there. And once the season's finished, we wait for the next year's data. And it's also very useful for us to preempt anything that can happen in the season. If the harvest is going too fast, if we think to ourselves we're halfway through the season, or the data shows to us that we're actually 60–70% through the season, then it gives us time to actually take action against that. The worst thing that can happen to us is when the season to be over, where we thought we had another 10 days left. But looking at the CropMap data, we can see the speed of the harvest and how much more, what percentage or how many more acres of tomatoes left out there in the field, and we can take action accordingly. Agriculture is moving towards technology. It has to, the rest of the world is moving towards technology, and there's always benefits to it. In my opinion, sustainability is efficiency. From the CropMap point of view, having reliable data of total volume of tomatoes to be expected means that not just Merko, but any company using the CropMap will have a better idea of the capacity that can make sales and production plans accordingly, which means less waste. The worst thing you can do is undersell, underproduce, and the raw material can go to waste. And I think that's the main source of sustainability.